pertemuan terakhir di bulan puasa. Mohon maaf ya, kita mulai di jam 1 siang ya. Ternyata sudah dimasukkan link di jam 12:30 dan kita sekarang sudah mulai ya. Oke, kita mulai saja. Suara saya jelas dan terdengar baik dengan semuanya?
Terdengar, Pak.
Ya, terima kasih Kak Ananda. Yuk silakan dimulai. Silakan Kak Novita dengan teman-temannya.
Oke, kita langsung mulai aja ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon. Anyway, how are you guys?
I'm good, thank you very much Kak Putri.
I hope you're doing well ya. Okay. Once, we would like to thank Mr. Sumantri, a lecturer in Business English, for putting us to this task, and even our friends who we are proud of for coming to this meeting today. We are Group 5, are excited to touch on the type of business letter and others element relating to. Okay, before we begin, kindly introduce our team. I am Putri Ratu Anggraini as a moderator. Tolong the next. And my teammates, please, next slide. Yeah, there is Sefe Mareta, Febia Intan, Ananda Rahayu, Ana Indah, and Ike Intan. Sorry, Novita, can you please next the slide? Okay, here we go. Let's begin, Anna.
What is business letters? Business letter is a type of official letter that functions as a medium of communication between two or more companies. The difference between a business letter and other letter is that a business letter is a conveying information, persuasive, motivational, and promotional. The benefit of a business letter is its ability to strengthen relationship with other companies or even stakeholders such as companies or clients. Type of business letters. The first is formal. This letter is usually intended for formal purpose or correspondence. Example, when you want to make an agreement with a client or other company, formal business letters require letterhead and other. And the next is informal. The opposite of a formal letter. Informal is a type of business letters that is casual and not too stiff. Used to ask for work reference when you want to say thank you, employer evaluation, and much more. However, you still have to pay attention to the writing style and the parts in the letter.
Next example of formal and informal. Formal, cover letter, business invite, offering letter, letter of agreement with investor. Informal, work reference, thank you letter, employee appraisal, and letter to a friend. When is a business letter used? Invite to networking event or exclusive event. Used to invite business partner, customer or industry colleagues to special events such as conference, exhibition, trades, and seminar or company party. Next, say thank you to the interview. Business letter can be used to thank the interview or other party involved.
Next, follow up on previous business requests. Business letters can be used to provide a formal response. A business letter can also help clarify terms, confirm details, or provide a response to proportional offers or new product. Business letter can be used to inform customer about promotional offers, the launch of the new product or service, or the introduction of the latest features. Next, another example of this business letter can also be used in cover letter. The cover letter is about showing our skill and experience. Example, I am excited to submit my application for the manager role at our company name. Business invite. One of the formal ways for a company to invite individual or other company to attend event organized by the company. Example of an invitation to a professional event. You are cordially invited to the end of your city-wide networking event for business letter.
So next we have a complement letter, a type of formal letter that is written to address any type of wrongdoing, offense, grievance, and anger that arises from a product, service, or other resource. Example, I am writing to express my unpleasure about the service at Computer World Center. The next we have letter of resignation. This letter tells your boss that you are leaving your job. This letter is formal. Example, Dear Irene, I'm writing to inform you that I have decided to resign from my position as manager at 127 Company. My last day of work will be 12 June. I want to take this opportunity to thank you and entire team for the valuable experience and support provided during my team at 127 Company.
Okay, next we have order letters or purchase letters, legal recourse to document transaction between sellers and buyers. Written order means a written order signed by the general manager or properly authorized representative or agent, mailed to the contractor at the address decided in the firm booth or to such other address as may be designed in writing as its official place of business. Next, we have letter of recommendation. This letter intends to recommend someone to work at a company for an internship, fellowship, and so on. Example, include a personal anecdote about what it's like to work with the candidate, include any workplace or people skill you've observed them to possess. Next. Okay, next we have component of business letters. First, we have letterhead. It's an identity in the form of an emblem, name, address, and telephone number of the senders of the letters. Letterhead is a header at the top of a company letter. Second, we have reference line. A reference line refers to information requests by the recipients and may include specific project, invoice, or identification numbers. Third, we have deadline, contains the date the letter was written. Next. Four, we have inside address. This section contains the name of the recipient of the letter to whom the letter is addressed, and their position, company name, and address. Don't forget to leave the distance between the date and the recipient. Five, we have attention line, an alternative to place the recipient of the letter. And last, we have subject line. regarding making it easier for the recipient of the letter to find the meaning of the letter. For example, invite, apology, and so on. This section is an optional part of the letter. Writing the subject itself is usually placed between the situation and the body of the... What is this? Okay, next.
Okay, next is solution in this section. Itu ada contohnya, dear Mr. Fatoni. However, if the recipient name is unknown, write the name of the department. For example, dear Director of Department of Human Resource. Leave a distance between the opening greeting and the context. Next is body of letter. The body of the letter is the place where you write what you want to convey. Paragraphs in the body of the letter must use single spacing and without any separation between each paragraph. Leave a space between the end of the body and the conclusion of the business letter. Next, closing. This section is sign that the letter has been completed, usually ending by writing sincerely yours, thank you, and other.
Okay, there is the next signature atau tanda tangan. This part is the letter sender signature, usually using black or blue ink. Next, enclosure atau jumlah lampiran. If a letter contains document or attachment other than the letter, the authors must display the number of attachment, namely by using an enclosure. For example-nya, enclosure 6 kayak lampiran 1, 2, seterusnya gitu. And the last, carbon copy notation. This section is used to inform the recipient of the letter that this letter is being sent to parties who need to know the contents of the letter. Which mean tuh kayak pengiriman surat tersebut tertuju untuk siapa atau bagian apa gitu. Ya, for example-nya sisinya itu untuk bagian keuangan, ya like that. Next. Yeah, that's it all. Okay, that's end the conversation we had. It's time for us to commence with open discussion. Or does Mr. Sumantri prefer to edit first? Apa Pak Erno ingin menambahkan terlebih dahulu atau langsung ke sesi tanya jawab, Pak? Langsung saja. Okay. Konklusinya nanti aja ya. After you make questions or you get the question for your. Okay, they have ones. Ivana Putri, come on. Silakan Mbak Kaivana. Okay guys, if you have a question, provide your name and advance toward it. Thank you. Ya, Kak Ivana sudah angkat tangan itu, Kak. Coba dicolek dulu. Silakan Ivana jika ingin bertanya.
Gue mau nanya dong. Halo, gue mau nanya.
Mas Zaril ingin bertanya?
Oh ya, gue mau nanya ini ya nih, namanya Tara. Kan ini tadi dari sekian banyak jenis dan fungsinya, apa sih manfaat utama dari membuat business letter tuh? Manfaat utamanya?
Okay. Thank you for your question. Any else? Nothing? Oke, berarti hanya satu pertanyaan ya. So much appreciated for the inquiries. please grant our group to time to discuss. Thank you, guys. Hello. Thanks for stripping time with us. Just clear recap aja ya. Replying to question from Nazaril, you said manfaat utama dari kita membuat business letter kan? Ya, jadi so guys, all of the different type and function which are the main benefit or studying a business letter tuh kayak which there are many advantages to writing a business letter. Its main benefitnya tuh or usefulnessnya lies in fostering stronger bonds with other organization or stakeholder, such client or other businesses. When applying for a job and asking the person in question for a job preference, business letter are also used. Corporation letter have the advantage terminates in the domain name of the company, agency, corporation. Yeah, so they can also incorporate that and serve as tool for company branding. So jadi intinya main benefitnya itu kita atau organisasi membuat business letter ya for building relationship atau membangun serta mempererat hubungan with other business, juga pemangku kepentingan-kepentingan lainnya, just like perusahaan dengan kliennya gitu. Dan surat ini tuh we can use for kayak meminta referensi atau applying for a job, and also as sarana branding dari suatu perusahaan. Is it enough, Nazaril, or any comment?
Okay, thank you.
Enough?
Ya, cukup.
Okay. So as a result, all queries have been answered. Based on entirety of what has been laid out, we have to conclude that business letters are an important tool for formal communication. Langsung saya baca aja ya. Oke, conclusionnya yakni business letter are an important tool for formal communication between companies with formal and informal types used for a variety or purpose. By mastering the structure and content of business letter, we can communicate it effectively and professionally in the business world. Yeah, that's all. Many thanks to your attention and Mr. Sumantito. That's it from us. If there are flaws, kindly amend, and if there are upside, yeah, make use of them. Gumawa cingada siya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih untuk presentasinya, dan ini great sekali ya. Terima kasih Kak Putri sebagai moderator ya, Kak Putri ya.
Iya, Pak.
Iya, dan moderator memang penguasanya seperti ini, dan mudah-mudahan teman-teman yang lainnya pun mengikuti kelompok ini, dan jangan lupa selalu di subscribe videonya. Mudah-mudahan screen-nya bisa keluar pada saat nanti pada saat nanti kalian mengirim video tersebut ke YouTube. Saya rasa cukup ya, tidak ada lagi penambahan dari saya. This is great. So after this, you must give more than grupnya Putri ya. Mudah-mudahan bisa lebih daripada yang saat ini. Oke, izin saya absen terlebih dahulu untuk